let's talk foundation matching. It's one of the trickiest things to do with wearing makeup, and I think it holds a lot of women back. Plus, it's really hard to foundation match when you're just holding jars up to your face in the department store aisle or the Walgreens aisle or wherever it is that you shop for your makeup. So, first of all, it really doesn't have to be that hard. Think about it's easiest if you know whether you are warm, cool, or neutral. So think about what you wear every day. What colors do you like to wear the most? Is it blues, purples, pinks? Is that what makes you feel good when you put that on? Or is it rusts and oranges and yellows? The blues, pinks, purples, those are cool colors. The rusts, the oranges, and the yellows are warm colors. And you definitely know what you like to wear. Everybody does. Everybody has a feel for what feels good. I am cool. I like the way I look wearing cool colors, the blues, the pinks, the purples. And I wear a lot of gray. So most foundations are categorized as warm, cool, or neutral. So I wear dewy most of the time, but this time of the year, I start to get a little pasty, and I feel like my dewy is a little dark. So this is dewy, and it is a neutral, and you can see that striping. It's not bad. It actually fades in pretty good. Not bad at all. Let's look at, I believe Buff is also a neutral, and it's a little bit darker. We'll see if it shows up darker on my face. There's Buff. And you can see that it's not bad either, but it doesn't blend in as well as the dewy did. You can still see it here. And another thing about foundation matching is if you leave it sit for a while, it will oxidize with your skin and get either better or worse. Okay, so then the third one we're going to try is vanilla, and it's lighter. I'm going to put it up here, and it is going to be too light. So can you see? This was the dewy, this was the buff, this is the vanilla. So I'm thinking that I need to just stick with my dewy for now.